It was Sunday morning. Rohan got up in the morning and went to his sister's room to say good morning.
He saw his sister Meera was still sleeping. He put a blanket on his sister and sat next to her to check what was happening.
Mama, what happened to Didi?
She is sick, beta. She has a fever. I'm so worried, but Father said prayer brings comfort.
Dear Lord Krishna, please shower your blessings on my sister. Make her feel better soon.
Rohan waited patiently, trusting Krishna ji. Slowly, Meera started smiling and felt better. Always pray to Krishna ji with love and faith. He listens to all heartfelt prayers.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel to keep learning.